The intended goal of this video is to familiarize you with the Assignments List page in PowerTeacher Pro, since this is the page that you will see and use most often. The PowerTeacher Pro homepage just happens to be the Assignments List homepage. Let's look at what it shows. It shows all of your assignments based on the term that you've chosen. In the upper right-hand corner, if All is selected, the list will show all assignments for the entire year, or you can choose to show for just one term. In the list, you can see the category that's attached to the assignment. You can see how many students have submitted, the due date, and the score type of each assignment. And the little pencil will allow you to edit pieces of the assignment. Next to the term drop-down is a gear. There are two choices in that gear, Show Filter and Copy. We'll start with Show Filter. If you have a long list of assignments, the filter will allow you to quickly find assignments. In this demo, I'm going to search for all of the assignments that have the word quadratic in it. Click Apply. It will return all of the assignments with the word quadratic in the title. Choose Clear and all of the assignments come back. If you want to hide the filter, go back to the gear and choose Hide Filter. All assignments on the assignment page are sortable, so you can sort by due date if you want, in descending or ascending order. You can sort by category so that all of the assignments in each category are grouped together. In the score column, a green check mark indicates that all students have submitted the assignment. All assignments are hyperlinked. Clicking on the name of the assignment will open up the page with all of the students who have that assignment, and you have the ability to score them. To go back to your assignment list from the scoring page, choose the A+ charm, and you will see the assignment list as the first item. Clicking on the pencil will give you ability to edit pieces of the assignment. You will see 3 tabs of information. On the Assignment tab, you could change the score type, points, due date, etc. There is a Delete button at the bottom left corner. Choose Delete and you will be asked to confirm. And then it gives you one last chance. It says, you are removing student scores on this assignment. Do you want to remove and delete the scores, or do you want to cancel and not delete the assignment? I'm going to cancel because no changes were made. I'm just going to click the X to close out. Now let's duplicate an assignment. To do that, find the assignment you want to duplicate and click the pencil. Choose the Duplicate button at the bottom. It creates the exact assignment screen and adds an _1 at the end of the assignment name. For this assignment, I will change that and add makeup to the assignment name. By default, this is going to be assigned to all students. So I'm going to need to move to the Students tab. I'm going to go to Add and Remove Students. I'm going to uncheck the students and recheck just those students that I want to take the makeup test. Now I'm going to save and close, and I see that assignment in my list. Duplicating the assignments creates individual anchor points so you don't have to worry about the deleting process and deleting it from multiple classes. If during the process of creating the assignment you attach it to multiple classes, that's when it creates shared anchor points, and you have to be careful not to delete from any class because it will delete from all. Thank you for viewing Working with Assignments.